Hi everyone, welcome back my video. Today I'm going to practice the next 5 vowel sounds. The first is farming. Most of people in my hometown do farming to earn money. Pork. My country is so tranquil with many public parks. Far. How far is from your hometown to Hanoi City? The second vowel sound is Countryside. I love countryside life more than city life. Public transportation should be improved to reduce air pollution. Wonderful. Have a wonderful day. The third vowel sound is air. Tranquil. I love the tranquil life in the countryside. Capital. I come from Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. Valley. I live in a small town set in a valley. The next is outskirts. My house is on the outskirts of Hanoi City. Burden. I find a part-time job to reduce the financial burden for my parents. Work. My parents work every day to bring me the best things in life. The next vowel sound is autumn. Vietnam has 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Morning. I love the fresh atmosphere every morning in my hometown. Walk. I love walking along the coast. Thanks for attention.